Okay, on this slide, we're going to see like a model that represents the area of distributive property. So we have this model here with this section of 4 feet and 5 feet. And then we have this section, the blue section, which is also, because if this side is 4 feet, we can say that this side is also 4 feet. And this side is 2 feet. So what we're going to do is, in order to find the area, we need to multiply 4 feet by 5 feet and add it with our 4 feet here and our 2 feet here. So what's 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 2 is 8. And then we add that together and we get 28 square feet. So what is the common factor in this problem here? Or what do you see here? What number was used more than once? That's right, 4. So what we can do, instead of writing it this way, we can simplify it by putting our 4 out here, and then what we're adding inside, which would be 5 and 2. Because when we distribute it out, it would be 4 times 5, right up here, and then 4 times 2, right up here. But this is a simplified way of writing distributive property.